Today's video is super exciting and it's absolutely amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kasturi and here we talk about traveling and speaking different languages. And if you are watching this video, I hope by the end of this video I convince you to learn German. So here are some reasons why you should start learning German right now if you are not already learning. So if you're watching this video, if you can understand me, you probably speak English or you know or you understand English. This makes it really easy for you to learn German because both of these languages are derived from a group of languages which are Germanic languages. I will put a table here to show you guys. If you cannot see, I'm sorry, I'll put it in the description and you can check out that link. There are many words which are very similar in English and in German, like kindergarten, blau, house. There are many more words which are very similar to English and German, but of course you cannot translate the literal translation because German is tricky. It's a huge family of languages from which German and English fall under the same tree. If you know English, you can start off with learning German, and if you learn German, you can learn other languages really easily like Dutch, Afrikaans, Swedish, Luxembourgish, Danish. So if you start learning German, you can start learning other languages as well. That's why it's the best investment language according to The Economist. There was a survey taken by the Pearson Education in which it was seen that German is amongst the top 3 desirable languages for employees. In this survey, 49% employees rated German as the most useful language for their business placing, and they rated it higher than Spanish and Mandarin. If you are looking forward to work, German is going to be the language you should learn. And of course, if you have heard of Germany or it's on your bucket list, it's definitely for its Christmas markets. It's the home for modern day Christmas. Have you heard of Glühwein, Lebkuchen, the Christmas market, all the Christmas amazing stuff? If you have looked at the Christmas markets of Germany, you are going to be in love with Germany and you definitely want to learn the language and be to this place. Can you imagine going to actual German Christmas market at actual Christmas time? And of course there and trying the Christmas market food. I mean, it is really exciting for me to even imagine all of these things and trying all of these things and speaking in German and trying these things. Fear. Did you know that German is the most common first language spoken in Europe? There are 100 million speakers who speak German. That is almost like more native German speakers than more native English speakers. Working in Germany. If you know anything about Germany, you definitely know their big brands. You have definitely heard of BMW, Volkswagen, Lufthansa, Adidas. Germany is the second most popular country, of course, after US, for people seeking work. As I told you about these big companies, if you have heard of it, if you have any goals or set dreams that you want to work in certain companies, these big companies, learning German is gonna be a way for you to get into this. If you know the language, the formalities becomes very less. Training process, they don't have to train you specifically for learning German because you already know it. Sechs. Oktoberfest. I mean, you don't need any other reason if you are not already learning German because of Oktoberfest. I cannot put in words how excited I get looking at the pictures. I will put the picture. It's super exciting. People dress up in a certain way. It's a fest that goes on for I think 7 to 8 days. And of course the food. Sieben. Yes, you might have heard that German is a very difficult language to learn, but it's super rewarding. It's something that you start learning, you don't feel that it's very difficult. Then the grammar part is a lot, yes, I get it, but when you start speaking and when you learn about the culture, when you learn about so many amazing things that I'm telling you in this video about Germany or Germans or the language, it kind of feels very rewarding and very amazing, super cool. It's a process. Learning any language is going to be a process, but the process is really amazing and it's super fun once you start communicating in that language, even if little bit. I've said super so many times. I hope you understand how supremely super it is. Act. Make more money. Yeah, you heard it. Make more money. So according to The Economics, German learners can or will accumulate bonus up to 1 million euros just by learning the language. Now you can kind of connect that if you want to work in a company, in big brands, in big German brands or any international company, learning a language can do a job in those companies, and then you can earn money like the amount that I just said. which sounds crazy, but yes, it's possible. I'm not making this up. It's there on Google. You can check it out. 9. Adopt a new way of connecting and traveling. Like for example, in USA, 15% of Americans have German heritage. Because the German income and the currency is so high, they earn in that currency, they travel around the world. So you will definitely run into any German or a German speaking person wherever you're traveling, or if they are traveling to your country. And speaking a language gets you to know the culture, the traditions, the festivals of that country. If you learn language, these are not the only advantages or the reasons that you should learn German for. It's also important to learn from the right sources. If you are not learning from the right sources, you might get bored of learning that language, or you might get confused, or it's just not going to be something that you are liking. So definitely do a lot of research and start learning German. If you want to learn German, we have courses going on. Link is in the description. Check out our website, go and book your courses. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact us. We're always ready to help you. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you are interested in learning German. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it was useful and I made use of your time that you have given to watch the video. See you in the next one. Bye.